nature of life is to grow, is to go on, is to evolve, is to move toward God. And God is love. And God is the giver of life. So anything that is not moving toward God, anything that is not loving, is ungodly and is not conducive to or supportive of life. It is sinful. It is missing the mark. The mark being life, truth, love, God. Lies and deceits are ungodly. Now look at the world around us. Look at our technologies. Artificial intelligence, deep fake technology, tools and weapons of deception. This is the heights of our technology. This is what the hearts and minds of humanity, of men, has given rise to. This is an indication that we have been walking down a wayward path, a path that is leading us away from God. And now we have wandered so far away from God, so far away from love, so far away from truth, that the truth is actually now more evident than it has been in a very long time, because it is so obvious that we are surrounded by lies and that we cannot trust anything outside of us, which means our only hope of grounding ourselves and finding our way back to the truth is to turn inward, to take our attention off anything that this world throws at us or in front of us, and turn toward the God inside of us. This is where the truth has always been. And we are waking up to that. The devil, the darkness, the lies, the devil has overplayed his hand. God wins. God wins. Which side are you on? Because you get to choose. Do you love darkness? Do you love the ways of this world? Or do you love lights and truth and God? This world will ensnare you, will trap you, will enslave you. But first it will reward you and give you pleasure. And those are the things that ensnare you, that you become addicted to, that get dangled before you, that get ripped away. And then the devil says, oh, you want these back, these things that you are so hopelessly addicted to? Well, just prick your finger, squeeze out a little blood. Sign right here. This is how you lose your soul. And that's a metaphor, but it's actually true as well. Like transhumanism, people will be giving over their literal body to the system. That's the direction that it's headed. This beast system, this system of lies, is looking to rewrite your genetic code, to screw around with your DNA, to inject nanotechnology and minuscule robots into your bloodstream. to make you a tool and a vector for sin and death and darkness and lies. You can choose that. And if you choose it, it will be because out of fear. It will be because out of fear of losing what this world offers you. It's all lies, though. Please know that. It's lies and sickness and disease behind a pretty veneer. It's fake.